This is going to be a video tutorial on how to browse in private mode on LinkedIn. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into LinkedIn. Normally when you browse people's profiles on LinkedIn, it will notify them exactly who you are. But there is a setting in LinkedIn which you can go into private mode. You can browse anonymously. To do that, you want to go up to your Me icon in the upper right hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Visibility. And then under visibility of your profile and network, the very first thing, profile viewing options, you want to click on that. By default, if you click on somebody's profile, it'll tell them exactly who you are. You can shift to the middle setting here where it gives them some indication of it. Won't tell them exactly who you are, but it'll tell them what you do and things like that. The bottom one, if you click on private mode, you will be in complete private mode. When you click on their profile, it'll tell them somebody had clicked on their profile, but it will give them no information on who that was. But this is how you browse in private mode. You can browse anonymously under this setting. Thanks for watching.